Bill Zeltman, America's real estate guru, and I want to talk to you today about a culture of prospecting. Every realtor that's out there that's worth a salt, right, knows that prospecting is the baseline. It's the foundation to success for realtors. You could have the greatest listing conversation. You go out and you can talk to somebody and you can present and you can get the right price and you know exactly how to do that. Or you can have the greatest buyer's presentation where you know how to talk to a buyer, you know how to work with a buyer and everything else, and you know how to bring it to a close. But if you don't prospect and if you don't have anybody to have that listing conversation with, if you don't have anybody to have that buyer's consultation with, guess what? You've got nothing. You need to have a culture of prospecting in your life. You need to say, these are my prospecting times, and I'm never, ever going to miss those times. We do that here at my company, and we do that here in our offices. Every weekday in my offices, we have what's called a prospecting power hour. It is a culture that we've built amongst our agents where we show up, we make phone calls, we're there to encourage each other, we're there to help coach each other, we're there to rehearse if we need something, we're there to get feedback, and it's a culture of winning. And the best of the best of the best agents, which we have in our offices, all take part in this, and they do it on a regular basis. And what I want you to do, and what I want you to think about is, do you have that culture? Do you need that culture in your life? If you do, if you know your prospecting isn't where you want it to be, if your income isn't where you want it to be, I want you to pick up the phone and give me a call, shoot me a text. Let's have a conversation and let's get you having that culture of prospecting, which leads to a culture of success.